In the cold, eerie light of a crescent moon, a barren tundra stretched endlessly in front of a towering wall of jagged ice. Here, amidst the chill whispers of the wind and the haunting calls of distant wolves, the ancient showdown was about to unfold. From the south, a great white lion emerged as if carved from light itself. His mane shimmered like the sands under a burning sun, though there was an unnatural glint in his eyes, as if some ancient soul had infused him with its ethereal power. The air around him crackled with a tension one would feel before a summer storm. To the north, the shadows released their grip on a colossal polar bear. His silhouette against the icy plain seemed to swallow what little light there was, his fur appearing as infinite as the depths of the night ocean. His growl resonated through the ground, reverberating with a resonance only found in primordial beasts. He was the guardian of the frosty wilderness, a silent deity whose breath formed clouds in the freezing air. Locked eyes met across the expanse of desolation. A promise of an ancient rivalry was renewed. The lion, accustomed to the endless plains and scorching sun of his homeland, felt the bite of the cold as a personal affront, his muscles coiling beneath smooth skin with the tension. His opponent, the bear, read the message in the stars, his bulk shifting like a landslide as he moved forward, deliberate and sovereign. The air grew heavy with anticipation, as if time itself paused to witness. Even the polar winds held their breath. When it seemed the world might split asunder from the strain of expectation, the lion charged with a roar that could cleave the heavens. It was a force of nature, swift and relentless. The polar bear met it with unwavering power, standing his ground like an iceberg unmoved by the waves. A clash echoed out as if the earth had cracked, the lion's agile grace against the bear's brute strength. Claws like scythes and teeth honed by hardship met in a dance of blood and fury. In the frenzy, snowflakes mingled with sandstorms imaginarily summoned by their struggle, blurring the boundary between desert and ice. Time moved rapidly again, marking each impactful second of this epic battle. The lion anticipated, danced, backed, and leapt with the predator's precision. But the cold was insidious, and the winds betrayed him. In a decisive moment, the polar bear's paw, heavy and thunderous, struck with the judgment of a king reclaiming his throne. As the dust settled, the lion lay on the snow-kissed ground, not defeated by lack of might, but by the relentless chill of an unfamiliar domain. His chest rose and fell, a titan at rest amidst the timeless winter. When dawn broke over the icy battlefield, it was the polar bear who stood, alone and resolute, the silence of his triumph echoing across the frozen land, and thus the legend was sealed in the annals of nature's grandeur.